Island crush in the heart of Kingston, Jamaica. Amidst the vibrant colors and rhythms of the island, there lived a young student named Maya. She was a bright and spirited girl, known for her infectious laughter and her love for poetry. Yet, Maya harbored a secret that she dared not share with anyone, not even her closest friends. Her secret? A forbidden crush on her literature teacher, Mr. Bennett. Tall and handsome, with a voice like smooth honey and eyes that sparkled with intellect, Mr. Bennett captured Maya's heart from the moment she stepped into his classroom. Every day, Maya found herself eagerly anticipating literature class, not for the Shakespeare or Wordsworth they studied, but for the chance to steal glances at Mr. Bennett and to bask in his intellectual presence. She hung on his every word, savoring the sound of his voice as he dissected the works of great poets and novelists. But Maya knew that her feelings were taboo. She was just a student, and Mr. Bennett was her teacher. She couldn't risk exposing her heart to ridicule or rejection. So, she buried her feelings deep inside, disguising her longing with a facade of indifference. However, fate had other plans in store for Maya. One afternoon, while she was lost in a daydream about Mr. Bennett, she accidentally bumped into him in the hallway. Papers scattered at their feet, and Maya's cheeks flushed crimson with embarrassment. Mr. Bennett flashed her a warm smile, his eyes twinkling with amusement. "Careful there, Maya. You seem to be lost in thought." Maya stammered an apology, her heart pounding in her chest. She quickly bent down to gather the fallen papers, but Mr. Bennett knelt beside her, their fingers brushing as they reached for the same sheet. Their eyes met, and for a moment, time seemed to stand still. In that fleeting instant, Maya glimpsed a flicker of something in Mr. Bennett's gaze, a hint of recognition, perhaps, or even understanding. As they rose to their feet, Maya felt a surge of courage wash over her. "Mr. Bennett," she began hesitantly, I wanted to say thank you for inspiring me to see the beauty in literature, and for always challenging me to think beyond the surface." Mr. Bennett's smile softened, and he placed a gentle hand on Maya's shoulder. "You're welcome, Maya. It's students like you who remind me why I became a teacher in the first place." Their brief exchange left Maya's heart aflutter with hope. Perhaps, just perhaps, her feelings for Mr. Bennett weren't as one-sided as she had feared. From that day forward, Maya approached literature class with a newfound sense of purpose. She engaged in discussions with renewed enthusiasm, eager to impress her teacher with her insights and interpretations. And though Maya's crush on Mr. Bennett remained a secret, she couldn't shake the feeling that their chance encounter in the hallway had sparked something between them, a connection that transcended the boundaries of teacher and student, and hinted at the possibility of something more.